Accused person to PW36, the chairman.
Most of like to welcome the judgment and also pray.
Accordingly, I find that the prosecution has proved beyond reasonable doubt that all the three accused persons acted pursuant to a common intention within the meaning of Section 21 of the Penal Code, and that the unlawful killing of Isaac Kasim Jiro was a natural and probable consequence of that common design, and each accused person bears equal criminal responsibility for the offense. Accordingly, I find that the standard of proof was met and all the ingredients of the offense of murder were proved, and therefore I find that the three accused persons committed the offense of murder contrary to Section 203 as read with 204 of the Penal Code.
The wound is still fresh in our hearts for many years. He has left behind a widow and 4 orphans that are still cannot come into terms with his death.
Tumeona justice kwa hii familia. We really appreciate judiciary, ingawa imechukua muda mrefu. Familia kidogo wamepata restoration kuona kuwa wale watafungwa. Itarudi tarehe 30 Septemba. Tunataka waende kabisa, haki itendeke ili iwe mfano kwa wengine, kuditaa watu ambao wanaua watu kiolelaolela.